What is up, guys? We are back. Honestly, I'll do a full ki where I was, where I wasn't, all of that later. But from my title, you already know that I am on the billboard and I'm gonna go watch it. I'm still deciding what do I want to wear for my outfit, but this is such a big day for me. This is such a big deal to me. I changed my location because I felt like I really need to sit down and have this conversation with you. I, first of all, am really grateful and I'm very excited. This is such a big deal for me. This is something like I've been waiting for since months. The shoot was done like mahino pehle, but for some reason or the other, it kept on being pushed for later and later. I've heard so many cancellations for the same. I've heard so many postpones and all for the same. Now that it is finally happening, I'm so excited. It just feels like, what is this life? I'm somebody who had never had the confidence to even be able to say कि I can look good in general. Like for me, मैं जो भी videos बनाती हूँ, मैं जैसे भी खुद को देखती हूँ and all of that, it has begun from my room. Content creation has begun from my room and everything. So when this happened, I was so excited, but I was also very nervous. When the shoot happened, when I was on the set, I was much more nervous. I'll be putting all of the videos साथ में. I have vlogged a little because I knew this day is gonna come. I knew I wanna share this just to be able to like spread my joy. When I was on the set, I was feeling so nervous. I'll tell you what had happened. This is my first time being in front of the camera and कैमरे पे किसी और का कंट्रोल है. Somebody else is taking the creative lead. I cannot tell them कि मेरा best angle ये है या वो है, because this is not my phone का camera. This is not just me sitting in my room and shooting something. I was so excited. I was so nervous. I enter the set and I'm just like ऐसा जब मैं nervous होती हूँ ना तो मेरे गाल फड़फड़ाते हैं. So I was doing that and then the cameraman tells me, chill. I don't know. I just said one thing. What kind of vibe are you going for? And he tells me कि we are going for something very vibrant, very joyful. And बहुत ही saddy सा song कुछ बज रहा था, like something English in like on the set studio में. So I was like, we need to change the song. मैंने पंजाबी गाने लगवाए and I just went full in. I was like, fuck my insecurities, fuck what I feel about myself, fuck about what do I think is photogenic, fuck my ideology for photogenics or for this and that. Because until this very day, I used to think, of course, only people with certain face, certain body type, certain height, certain background, certain elements can go in front of the camera and do all of those things. So when this opportunity came to me, I was like, I want to grab it and I never want to let it go. This is such a huge deal for me because more than it is going to be an opportunity to grow in my career, this is also going to be something which I will always remember every time I doubt myself and my faith in myself and my capabilities. This happened. I just went full on. The vibe was so good. This was a full brand shoot. The people were so nice. Everything was so nice. Also, given that I am very socially anxious, so when the shoot and all was happening, I was a little hesitant to interact with the people there. My makeup guy was so good. Everybody was so cool, so nice. The stylist was also on set, the photographer, everybody was just so cool and so nice. Even the model that I was working with, she was also so nice and cool and she was so fucking pretty. In the beginning I milked it so much. मुझे ऐसा लगता है अभी भी कि मैंने थोड़ा सा जिंक्स कर दिया है तो इतना ज़्यादा उस बारे में बात करके. And now I'm gonna go and watch my billboard. It just feels like it's surreal. It's so nice because living in Bombay, I have like any other bachelor, like any other person, I feel like I've had my own pair of struggles, whether it's in terms of looking for a house, finding a home, being able to find comfort in places, in new places, in the changes and everything. So when this happened and when I get to see myself on the billboard in the same fucking city where I've struggled so much to be able to call it my own, I just feel like, oh my god, it is such a blessing. It is truly such a blessing. And just be able to tell myself ki Fiza, you're on the billboard, probably like hundreds of cars and people are watching me there, and it is a blessing. I'm so freaking grateful. While we talk about all of that, I also want to let you know that I don't think I'm gonna be active again. I need some time of social media. I feel like I have lately been struggling with a lot of things and a lot of change in my life, and I really need to slow down for some bit to be able to come back better, to be able to tell you that yes, I'm active again and I'm in my full potential. But honestly, I'm not in my full potential, and I'm not in my full creative potential. And Freakins ka thing was something that I was like, no, I can't let my social media break, let this thing look small. Because being very freaking honest, when I got to know that it is now finally confirmed that it is gonna happen on this specific day, I was just thinking ki what is even the point? Because I've just been struggling with a few things, and I felt like something so big in my life, I started to look at it as something so small. And I really hate that. I'm very sad that I felt that way about myself, because this achievement is solely mine. I have come here with all of myself without anybody's help, and I don't feel like it's fair for me also. You're gonna see a lot of it. You're gonna see me smiling throughout. What's one thing that I'm extremely sad about is that all of my friends are long distance friends with me, and my sister and everybody else that really cares about this thing, all of them are just back in their town, in their city, in their country, or wherever. And it just feels sad that I won't be able to celebrate it with them, because I just know that if they had seen me out there, up there, they would have been so freaking happy for me. But I kind of do feel lonely when it comes to that. But I still have friends present in Mumbai right now that would wanna come and see. I'm so excited. So let's hope it's really cool. I'm gonna take you with me throughout all of it. These were just a few things that I wanted you to hear before you see me being all smiley and all udhar pe jaake. It's just, I have waited for this day for really long, and every bit of it is what I deserve. Every bit of it is something that I've created on my own for myself, and I don't want to let even like 1% of it go in vain just because I'm naturally a sad person. So let's meet you सीधा in front of the billboard.
ये मेरे को ये पे करने क्यों बोल रहा है?
फिर तू कंप्लेन कर उबर में. We are ready to go and watch my billboard.
Let's go.
I wish there was a way to explain how excited I am for this.
Oh!